Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them. In today's videos, I'll be teaching you guys quickly on how to post on Facebook group without admin approval. You understand? There are some groups you have to, once you post, the admin will have to approve before your post can be feasible. And most of us who want to wait till admin approves our post. Even our admin might be busy to be having piling up difference of post to approve. But today I'll be teaching you guys on how to post in a group without admin's approval. So without wasting much of our time, follow my step. So the first thing you need to do, make sure your Facebook Facebook app is up to date. So let me log into my Facebook app. So now go to the search bar, search for any group you want, any group you wanted to post to. As for instance, then I want to post into affiliate marketing group. Affiliate marketing. So I'm going to search for affiliate marketing. So the next thing we need to go through is click on group. See the groups. So once I click on the groups, see this filter button at the top, this filter. So I'll click on it, then I'll make sure I click on public groups. So once I click on public groups, it's going to show results. Click on show results. So once it shows results, as you can see, these are groups. These groups are public, which means I can post there without expecting anybody to approve. You understand? Can you see now? Write something here. So now there is another thing that I want you to know. After this, there are some groups whereby you can see as this group is now. I can post here, I can write anything here now. Can you see it? Right, create a public post. So there are some groups aside their public groups, there are some setup whereby there's this admin assist. There are some setup whereby they will just say you must be in group for 3 days before you can post. But regardless, this is going to work for you. It's going to work for you in any day, in any time. Can you see? Create your post, which means you can write your post and do what? And publish it. You can then publish it. You understand? So that is how to post in a group without admin's approval. So thank you and see you next in my video. Thank you.